Hi guys. I'm gonna be talking to you about getting a Mac. Okay, so this is for so this is really good option because you don't have to install any screen reading software. It already comes with accessibility features such as VoiceOver and Zoom text and so on. Yeah, Macs are a little expensive, but honestly, you'll save money in the long run because you do not have to like keep purchasing like screen reading software and yeah, it's really annoying to have to upgrade and all that crap and uh honestly the price range can range from 800 to around a little over $1,000 for this freaking whole Jaws program pack. It's so annoying. I'm glad I didn't have to pay for that, but if you're paying out your own pocket, you're paying at least between 800 to over 1,000, depending if the Jaws is for like home or for professional and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the Mac is great. There's already like accessibility features on it, like VoiceOver. You just have to like turn it on. You just go to settings, accessibility, and you just turn it on. If you guys are using VoiceOver, like to turn VoiceOver on, you would just go yeah. So all right, so you would press you would press the control and then you would press and then you would press the command and then F5. That's pretty much how you would turn voiceover on. Yeah, and then it's the first time you use voiceover, it's gonna tell you welcome to voiceover. If you know how to use voiceover, press the V key and so on. Yeah, the reason why I do recommend for you guys to use VoiceOver on a Mac is because it's really helpful. So when basically when you're not using your computer for a while, the VoiceOver will tell you you're on this link or you're on a file or whatever it is. To open, press like function command and space and so on, and it's pretty cool. Like VoiceOver is so helpful. It gets used to like it takes a while to get used to, especially when you're a Jaws user, because you're so used to using Jaws. VoiceOver is different, so it's not the same way as Jaws. With the difference between VoiceOver and Jaws is that Jaws you don't interact with anything. It's all like it's all keyboard shortcuts and stuff like that. But when you're using a MacBook Air, you can actually use the trackpad to interact with VoiceOver. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I would say there are more pros than cons with VoiceOver. The cons is that it takes more time to get used to. The keystrokes are different than Jaws. But the pros with VoiceOver are it's helpful. You don't have to install it. It already comes built in with the Mac. And also VoiceOver does not sound annoying. So the voice is very natural speech. And yeah. It also tell you how to interact with web pages or how to interact with scroll areas and so forth. It's really cool. This is why I really think you guys should get a Mac instead of a PC. It's really great. Yeah. Yeah, so I find VoiceOver is better than Jaws. I didn't have to listen to that robotic voice from Jaws anymore, and it's just so annoying. It's because the voice on Jaws sounds so synthetic and robotic. Okay, so when you're using VoiceOver, you have to get used to the keyboard strokes. It's different from Jaws. But honestly, on a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro, you can just use the trackpad commander, but you just have to turn it on. You can just tap anywhere or touch screen anywhere on the pad. So basically it acts like a touch screen. So you would interact with VoiceOver on the trackpad the same way you would interact with VoiceOver on your iPad and your iPhone and your iPod Touch. And yeah, so like for example, if you want to open Safari, you would double tap to open it and so forth. Like another example is when you want VoiceOver to read the whole entire thing, you just swipe down with two fingers and then it'll just read it, and it's pretty cool. All right, so yeah, just let me know if you guys have a Mac or you're planning to get a Mac. So yeah, I swear to God, you're never gonna want to go back to using JAWS after you use a Mac for like about a year. This is what it was for me. I did not want to go back to using JAWS, and you know what? JAWS is expensive to install, and again, it takes forever to install, like 45 minutes. And yeah, this is why I recommend you for you guys to get a Mac. Yeah. You know what? You know what else you should get? You should also get an iPad. You should or an iPhone or an iPod Touch, because it already comes with accessibility features as well. So yeah, basically all Apple products come with accessibility features like VoiceOver and Zoom. Yeah. And yeah, it's pretty cool, like what Apple's done. So yeah. All right, so let me know if you guys if you guys are planning to get any Apple products. So just let me know in the comments. And all right, and I'll see you guys. Bye.